Umengameli we-COSATU Zingiswa Losi utshele amalunga lomfelandawonye ukuthi mningi kakhulu umsebenzi obubhekene ne-COSATU nezingqinamba ezibe khona.
We battled a global pandemic, an economic recession, frequent load shedding, the July 2021 violence, staggering unemployment, struggling state-owned enterprises and municipalities, rampant corruption, a painful local election, the 2022 floods, and the year is not yet over.
Uzingiswa Losi uthi njengoba behlangene ngaphansi kophahlo olulodwa nje bazozama ukuqhamuka namasu kanye nezisombululo eziphusile zokubhekana nezingqinamba ezikhungethe izisebenzi kulelizwe.
We are here as delegates to reflect on the battles that we have waged on behalf of workers collectively over the past 4 years. We gathered here to celebrate our victories, to learn from our defeats, to rejuvenate our federation, and to strategize for the struggles ahead.
Izinga eliphezulu lokungaqashwa kwabantu into uphithanisa ikhanda lomfelandawonye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi.
The issue of unemployment in our country is our #1 crisis. No society can sustain or can be sustained with 1 out of 2 people unemployed.
Ulosi uthokumele balwe nakho ukungavalwa kwezikhala zemisebenzi emkhakheni ezihlokweni.
We cannot accept that we have moved from 208,000 members of the SAPS in the early 2000s to 172,000 today, whilst the population in our country continues to rise. We must support Nihau, Dinosa, Sayepu and Samatu in their call for the filling of health vacancies. We must support the call by SADU to ensure that all schools are well-resourced to enable them to be places of learning and growth.
Lengqungquthela okungeyeshum nane izophothulwa ngoLwesine. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla, endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.